going on, guys? Welcome to the garage. Let me show you guys a little bit of what we got going on here. First off, we got K5 build. Going in. Just finished up shaving the firewall on it, fixing some cancel repairs, getting it ready. It's gonna go with vintage air. So with the vintage air, we're gonna go ahead and, we blocked off everything. And then we got a 48, shaving the firewall on that also. Got the IFS suspension, power steering going. Getting all that wrapped up. It's a pretty clean truck. Already got the new axle in place, going with the 2-link. I got that bar welded across just to kind of hold the measurements. Frame notches going in. And then we got the big project here that I posted stuff about. This one's a full build. Everything we've done on this one so far. Back setup, fuel tank, the same 2-link from Jimenez Brothers. New doors, completely new floor, completely new back panel. Shaved cowl. Doors line up pretty good. I went ahead and sliced that back panel down, all the way down, and closed up that gap. Trying to get all the gaps right. But yeah, this one's sitting nice. This is the most complex build so far that I've taken on. Doing everything to this thing. Let me get some of these out of the way. Shaved firewall. This one also has power steering. It'll be going LS. Next up on the agenda for this is to get that hood fitting right. So hopefully next week I'll be getting that hood right, and cutting it, stretching it, shrinking it, whatever I got to do to get that hood to sit nice. Shaved cowl, or the shaved vent, shaved cowl. But yeah, this one got everything going on. On this one, I'm waiting for coilovers to come in. This is going to be a coilover setup. That's bags. This one will be coilovers. I'm just waiting for them to come in, and then I can wrap this guy up. I'll be shaving all those holes today. Yeah, this one's coming out super nice. Yeah, that's just a little bit of what we got going on. I say we as in Winos Garage, my one-man show here. But yeah, those are a little bit of our projects right there. Trying to stay busy. Looks like we got enough work cut out for us to last us a while. Yeah, thanks for checking it out. Just a couple of the projects going on. I plan on making more videos, more vlog style videos, just to show different steps of these projects. The more detailed stuff is on my Instagram, Winos_garage. But yeah, when I do YouTube, I want to start making more of these vlog style content. That way everybody could, follow along and see the bigger pictures, see more of behind the scenes stuff that's going on, instead of, little 30-second clips. There'll be more of this kind of features showing more of this truck here, you know, a little bit of stuff I got going on with this, but kind of more behind the scenes stuff than just the quick little highlights you see on Instagram. So if you like what you see, go ahead and like, subscribe, share it, you know, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Until next time, peace.